Hi, this is Adam from AMF Tutoring. Today I wanted to talk about logarithms and how to evaluate logarithms, or logs for short. To do that, I'm going to start with a related exponential expression. Suppose we had this expression, 2 raised to the fourth power, and we wanted to evaluate it. Now, assuming we know how to evaluate exponents, we know that 2 to the fourth power means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, times another 2 is 8, times another 2 is 16. So we'll say 2 to the fourth power equals 16. Now a logarithm is a related expression that describes the exponent in this equation. The related log expression would look like this. Log, let's say base 2 of 16. So again, to read that, that's log base 2 of 16. Notice the base of the log is the same as the base of the exponential equation. And a log describes the exponent from the exponential equation. So if I say log base 2 of 16, well, that describes the exponent from this equation. And we would say log base 2 of 16 is equal to 4. Now let's take a look at a few examples where we evaluate logs. In order to evaluate logs, we can relate it to an exponential equation using this question. The base raised to what exponent gives me the number inside the log? So for instance, say we have this expression, log base 3 of 9. We got to think, well, the base 3 raised to what exponent gives me the number inside the log? Base 3 raised to what exponent gives me the number inside the log? Well, 3, I know 3 raised to the second power gives me 9. So log base 3 of 9 equals 2. Okay, another example, log base 5 of 625. We think the base, in this case 5, raised to what exponent gives me the number inside the log? 5 raised to what exponent gives me 625? And that would be 4. So we say log base 5 of 625 is 4. For an added example, we can use this question for more complex log expressions such as this one, log base 4 of 1 over 16. Okay, so we'll use the question. The base is 4. Raised to what power gives me the number inside the log? 4 raised to what power gives me 1 over 16? We do need to use some exponent rules to help us out. So 1 over 16 we could rewrite as 1 over 4 to the second power, which we can further rewrite as 4 to the negative second power. All right, so what's the exponent in this case? It's negative 2. So we could say log base 4 of 1 over 16 is equal to negative 2. Okay. Hope this video was helpful for you in understanding the relationship between exponents and logarithms and how to use that relationship to evaluate those logs. Be sure to check my channel out for videos on other math topics. See you next time.